What's up, guys? We're here in the Clubhouse Exchange. We're doing the giveaways for my auction. Giveaway and auctions. It's been a long day. So we're gonna do just one timestamp at the beginning, just to make it official. So we're live at 6:19. 6:19 here in Denver. Guys, I got the list. It's a very long list of everyone who's in it. So we're gonna go 3 times, and it's gonna be top 11 that wins, I believe. Yep, top 11 that win. And guys, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna go 3 times. Good luck. One. It's gonna think a lot. 742. 742. 2. Trevor on top after 2. And guys, good luck. 3 times. Mark. Number 1. Eli. Mark. Chris. Kyle. Aaron. Jay. Michael. Carl. Eli, and Marty. Those are our winners. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Different list. There we go. All right, Mark, you got the Oates renditions auto. Eli, you get $30 cash. Mark, you got the Haley Wickenizer patch autograph. Pretty cool. Chris Michael, you get the Barkov at a 25. Kyle, the Athanasiu Future Watch auto. Aaron, the Donskoy Cup RPA. Jay, you get the Future Watch auto lot of Fukali and Subban. Willis, you get the Linden and Gillies classic autos. Carl, the Eichel Platinum rookie. Eli, McLean, and Richter classics autographs. And Marty, you get the 3-card lot. Guys, thank you.